Hey, this is AJ here from Savory Thoughts, and we're about to get our celebration started on the right track with this Haitian Beignet. So let's get started. Whether you call it fete, jubilee, carnival, festival, get your beignets ready because there is no such celebration without a good Haitian beignet. Many of you might know beignets as puff puffs. They call it differently depending on where you come from. The difference between our beignets and everywhere else is it's not an actual puff ball, but a rather flatter pastry, and always include our base ingredient, bananas. So to get started, smash your bananas. Now you can use a food processor, or you can go back to the traditional way by using a fork. But we rather work smart, not hard, so we are utilizing our food processor. Also, for your convenience, we do have, and I repeat, we do have the step-by-step guide on our website at savorythoughts.com, included with pictures to help you make this smoothly. Out of work, that's right. When carnival season comes, work stops, enjoyment begins. This is why in the Caribbeans we are so worry-free. On a separate bowl, go ahead and get your nutmeg, flour, cinnamon, salt, baking soda ready. So pretty much all your dry ingredient, and mix them well together. Now go ahead and add your smashed bananas into the floury mixture. These things actually brought back some great memories growing up, because I remember the only time that you would enjoy beignets is truly around carnival season, so that was a little treat. So the next step, you want to go ahead and add your extract, vanilla extract, as well as your almond extract, and of course don't forget your evaporated milk. Now, if you are lactose intolerant, you can use a milk substitution. In Haiti, carnation milk is the type of evaporated milk that we use, and that goes in a whole lot of our recipes. Now go ahead and fold it all together and make sure that it is well mixed and well combined. The next process is, let's get your oil ready. In a frying pan, add about 2 cups of oil and make sure that it gets to at least 350 degrees. So when you put your batter inside that oil, it should immediately start to cook. So to put your batter in the oil, we find it easier to use an ice cream scoop. You can also use a tablespoon, whatever that you feel comfortable with. The ice cream scoop is simply our way of cheating to make all the beignets approximately the same size.
Yeah.
So make sure to flip them over when one side is cooked because you want to cook the other side. So typically it takes about 2 minutes on each sides. It's very similar if you like to make pancakes or crepes. It's very similar to that process, except this is in deep frying oil. And voila, look how simple this was. So if you thought this was gonna be a hard, complicated process, think again. This is for Carnival. This is time for people to have fun. You cannot be stressing about making food, so it needs to be tasty and simple. Right before serving, sprinkle a little sugar on top and enjoy. Hope you've enjoyed this video and taken part of our celebration and our culture. So please don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment, and stay tuned for the next video.